Hi, welcome to another educational video from my end. Today I'm going to show you something quite interesting. Often when I point at a star in the night sky, and then when I tell my friends that it's Mars or it's Jupiter or such and such star, they ask me, how do I even know if it is that? Because I had been watching the night sky for a while. So I'm familiar with the night sky map, and I'm able to actually easily spot what star is what and what planet is what. So today I thought I'll go and make this educational video for you to understand how to go and locate stars and find out what stars are and what planets are. So you can see there's one bright star up there, and there's another one here, but we don't know what it is. And there's also another that's a light actually. So at the back of the tree, like on the top of the tree, you can actually see another star. So let's go and see what those stars and what they mean. Okay, so the first one I want to begin with is this star here. So on the left side I actually have an app, the night sky app, which is in the compass mode. So which tells me, like if I'm going to zoom in, it tells me clearly that this is the red planet Mars. So if I zoom on the right side of my camera here, so you can actually see that is the red planet Mars. I'll go zoom out, and that's what it looks. So when I'm looking at without zooming, this is how it looks to my normal eye. So uh, this is how I'm able to see, but camera is not able to see it that way. So on the camera it's showing, because obviously it's covering a wide angle. But if I am looking at it through my eyes, this is how it looks to me, and that is Mars. I'm gonna zoom out now. So, and I'm gonna go into the compass mode here again, into my see, that's the Mars. So it's exactly pointing at the same heavenly object. I'm gonna slowly turn my camera towards those two heavenly objects, and see that. So that is actually Jupiter and Saturn. There are two bright stars up in the sky, but you can see only the brightest one, which is the Jupiter. So you can also, if you're carefully looking at it, on the right side of my screen, you can also see the Saturn. Now I'm going to go here on the right side of my screen and zoom in so that you can actually look at both. There are some cars passing by, sorry about that noise. So you can actually see the Jupiter as well as Saturn. Now that can be verified from the screen which is at the left. So on the left is my night sky map, on the right is my actual camera, so the back side of my camera. So that is about um, how you look at the night sky. And there's also another star up in the sky. See, that's the star, and I would like to go and zoom into it and then tell you what that is. It's apparently called as the Canopus. Yep, Canopus. You see that? That's Canopus. Canopus, that's the star there. So that's quite bright there, and that's about it. There are many other constellations. There could be many other stars that I can go and demonstrate. First I'll go into the compass mode, and there's another star up there we would like to do. That is the Rigel. Alright, the Rigel is actually one of the main stars in the Orion constellation. So you will see the Orion belt, you will see the Betelgeuse, which is rising now. So that's the Orion belt, and on the top is the Rigel. So now you can see the Rigel, but because there are some clouds there, you can't. I will give another attempt later someday when there are no clouds, and if it's when it's going to be dark. So you can also look at it's rising from the eastern horizon. See, that's east, and if I turn slowly, that's your northeast, and on the northeast top you have your on the top of northeast you have Mars. You can see the Mars here. So that is Mars. You see that? And you go to the western direction, that's your western horizon. No, actually the northwestern horizon. When you go to the western horizon, that's the western horizon. On the in the western, now you can see actually both Jupiter and Saturn without even zooming in. So that's about it. So enchanting world of night sky If I point it right to the zenith, it's called as Fomalhaut. That star is called as Fomalhaut. So now slowly all the stars are showing up. So that's our Turner. So that's how you get to see the night sky. Very interesting pastime. Both you can get enormous amount of knowledge of the night sky, and also you get to see how we are not alone, but again blessed to be on this amazing planet called Earth. Thanks for watching.